Welcome and thank you for always joining us. We are looking at kcse 1999 paper 1, question number 18. And the question reads, a triangular plot of land ABC is such that AB is 34 meters, AC 66 meters, and the angle between BAC is 96.7 degrees. The first question, you are supposed to calculate the length BC. The first thing we do is to sketch the shape of this piece of land. Since the shape is triangular, we are going to have the triangle looking like this. We have A, we have B, we also have C. We have been told that AB is 34 meters, AC is 66 meters, and the angle BAC is 96.7 degrees. So we are supposed to calculate the length BC. And the length BC, in this case, the length BC is going to be obtained using cosine rule. So using cosine rule, we know if you take the opposite side that corresponds with angle A will be given letter A, then the opposite side that corresponds with C will be given C small, and this angle B corresponds to this line AC, the length will be called B. Using cosine rule, and since we need BC whose length is A, we say A squared is going to be equal to B squared plus C squared minus twice BC, then cos of angle BC, then cos of angle A. A squared will remain being A squared, and this one is equal to B squared. B is 66 squared plus C squared, this is 34 squared, minus twice times 66 times 34, then cos of 96.7. We proceed. A squared is going to be equivalent to 66 squared, will give us 4356, plus 34 squared gives us 1156, minus 2 times 66 times 34 will give us 4488, multiplied by the cos of 96.7, which is negative 0.1167. If you take negative 4488 times negative 0.1167, you get a positive value, and this one is going to give us the sum of 4356 and 1156 will give us 5512, will give us 5512. So these two will give us 5512 plus 4486 negative times negative 0.1167 will give us 523.6, and the sum of these two will actually give us 6035.6, meaning our A squared will be equivalent to 6035.6. For us to get A, we simply take the square root of 6035.6, and this one gives us exactly 77.69 meters. By so doing, we have now A or BC as 77.69. meters. We proceed to part B. Part B of the question reads, in order to subdivide the plot, a fencing post P is located on BC such that BC to PC is 1 to 3. Calculate the area of the plot ABC and hence find the area of the triangular subdivision. Remember, triangle ABC is very easy. Now, how do we get the area? Area given the two sides of the triangle and an included angle, we use half AB sine angle theta. In this case, we are going to have half multiplied by A and B, which are the two sides given, that is 34 times 66. We multiply by the sine of angle theta, which is 96.7. This one is going to give us a half times 34 times 66, which is going to be equal to 1114 meters square. Remember, after getting the area, they want us to find the area of the subdivision. And to get the area of the subdivision, we are simply going to use the ratio given. Remember, assuming this is our point P here, that is subdividing this line BC in the ratio of 1 to 3, we are going to use the ratio to simply work out the area of the subdivision. So the area of the subdivision is going to be 1 out of the total length, which is 4 times the total area of 1114, and this one is going to give us 278.5 meters square. By so doing, we have the area of the triangle ABC in the area of the subdivision. We proceed to part C, and part C is saying a water pipe running through the subdivision APB. This is our point P here, so it is running this way and is parallel to AB and divides the area in the ratio of 4 to 5, where the bigger portion is a trapezium. Calculate the distance of the pipe from P. The first thing we are going to do is actually to find the distance from BA towards P, and this one is going to be our height. Using the area that we have found, we can be able to get the height of point P towards AB. And how do we do that? We know area is going to be given by a half. You multiply by the height, you multiply by the base, and the base we are going to use is that of the length AB, which is 34, and this one is going to be equated to 278.5. Half of 34 will give us 17, h, giving us 278.5, and this one is going to give us the value of h being equal to 278.5 divided by 17. You get exactly 16.38 meters. Once we have the height, we can now be able to get the distance. In this case, since we have the area scale factor, the area scale factor is going to be, remember, it is dividing in the ratio of 4 to 5, meaning it's going to be 4 out of 9. Going to be 4 out of 9. And from the area scale factor, we can get the linear scale factor, which is going to be the square root of 4/9, giving us 2/3. From here now we can be able to get the distance we are looking for. That is going to be equal to 2/3 of the total length of 16.38, and this one gives us exactly or approximately 10.92 meters. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussion. And in case you're watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification.